Good day everyone, and welcome to my lecture series in General Mathematics. Our topic for today is all about exponential function. For our definition, an exponential function with base b is a function of the form f of x is equal to b raised to x or y is equal to b raised to x, where b should not greater than 0 and b should not be equal to 1. So, pag sinabing exponential function, so ang magiging form niyan is f of x is equal to b raised to x or y is equal to b raised to x. So, let us discuss evaluating exponential function. So, for example, if f of x is equal to 3x, then evaluate the following for number 1. So let us find f of 2. So for our solution, no? So our value of x is 2, and we are going to input the value of x, which is 2, to our given function. So we will have f of 2 is equal to 3 raised to, so magiging 2 na siya. Then, to simplify this expression, so we will have 3 squared is equal to 9. And this is our final answer. For number 2, so let us find f of negative 2. So same as usual, so we are going to input the value of x, which is negative 2. So we will have f of 2, f of negative 2 is equal to 3 raised to negative 2. So in this case, we are going to apply the laws of exponents. So let's say we have x raised to negative n, which is equivalent to 1 over 3 x raised to the n power. So we are going to apply this law on in our function, so that will become 1 over 3 squared, or 1 over 3 squared, it's simply 1 over 9. And this is our final answer. Okay, for number 3, so we have f of 1 half. Okay, we are going to input the value of x, which is 1 half. So that will become 3 raised to 1 half. So in this case, we are going to apply the laws of radicals. So let's say we have the square root of x, which is equivalent to x raised to 1 half. And we are going to write this expression in radical form, so that will become square root of 3. And this is our final answer. So for number 4, so we have f of 2 over 5. So we are going to input the value of x as equal to 2 over 5. So we will have 3 raised to 2 over 5. So again, we are going to apply the laws of radicals. So let's say we have nth root of x raised to the n power, which is equal to x raised to m over n. No? So we are going to apply this law in our expression, so that will become fifth root of 3 squared, or it's simply fifth root of 9. And this is our final answer. So now let's proceed to solving exponential equation. So if our equation a raised to x as equal to a raised to y, if and only if x is equal to y. So, kapag po nagsosolve tayo ng exponential equation, so make sure po na same po yung ating base. Then, after that, we can now apply we can now equate their exponents. So, until we write as x is equal to y. Okay, example number 1. So, we have solved the equation 64 is equal to 8 raised to x minus 2. So, for our solution, so, mapapansin natin na yung left side natin at right side natin ay hindi po same ng base. So, kasi sa right side, meron tayong 64. So, dito naman po sa right side, meron po tayong 8. So, our goal is dapat po maging same yung ating base, no? So, mapapansin natin, si 64, so pwede natin siya isulat in exponential form as equal to 8 squared. Kasi nga po, 8 squared, which is equivalent to 8 times 8, then 8 times 8 is equal to 64. So, we can now write as 8 squared is equal to 8 raised to x minus 2. So, yan. So, same na po yung ating base. So, what we are going to do, we are going to equate their exponents. So, magiging 2 is equal to x minus 2. So, to solve the value of x, we can now transpose this negative 2 to the left side. So, that will become 2 plus 2 is equal to x. Then 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So, the value of x is equal to 4. And this is our final answer. Okay, for example number 2, so we have 3 raised to 2x is equal to 81. So, for our solution, so mapapansin natin, hindi pa rin same po yung kanilang base, no? So, sa right side, meron tayong base na 3. Doon sa right side, doon meron din tayong 81, no? Hindi po sila same. So, mapapansin po natin, si 81, kung susulat natin siya in exponential form, which is equal to 3 raised to the 4th power. Kasi nga po, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 81. Now, we can now write the exponential form of 81. So, that will become 3 raised to 2x equals 3, 4. So, yan. So, same na po yung ating base. So, what we are going to do, so let us equate the exponents. So, we will have 2x is equal to 4. We are going to solve to the value of x. So, let us divide both sides by 2. So, that will become x is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. And this is our final answer. For example number 3, so let us solve the equation 1/2 1/3 raised to the x plus 2 is equal to negative raised to the 16 raised to the negative x. So for our solution, So you may notice this 1/2 we can write as negative exponent, no? So parang 1 over x raised to the n, which is equivalent to x raised to negative n. So, okay, kung ma-apply po natin tong form na to, so bale magiging 2 raised to the negative 1. Then, quantity x plus 2. Okay, dito naman po sa right side, which is 16, si 16 po, so equal po siya sa 2 raised to the 4th power. Kasi nga po, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 16. So now, the 16 we can now write as exponential form. So bale magiging 2 raised to the 4th power quantity raised to negative x. So ang nangyayari, so itong negative 1, so pwede nating i-multiply dito sa x plus 2. So bale magiging 2 raised to negative 1 times x plus 2 equals, so dito naman sa right side, 2 raised to, so 4 times negative x is equal to negative 4x. So we can now equate our exponent, which is negative 1 times x plus 2, then negative 4x. So we will have negative 1 times x plus 2 is equal to negative 4x. Then we are going to distribute this negative 1. So that will become negative x minus 2 equals negative 4x. To solve the value of x, we are going to transpose this negative 4x to the left side. So that will become negative x plus 4x. Then the negative 2 we are going to transpose to the right side, so that will become positive 2. To simplify this equation, negative x plus 4x is equal to 3x. Then equals 2. So let us divide both sides by 3. The answer is x is equal to 2 over 3. And that's all for today. Goodbye.